So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share the remote job opportunities with you. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to the EPAM company. So they have a walk-in drive, which is there in Pune location, and they are going to have the job openings for automation testing in Java. That is, as 6 to 15 years of experience is required. Then automated testing in JavaScript, 5 to 15 years of experience is required. And along with that, again, automation testing in Java plus Gen AI, so 6 to 15 years of experience required. So skill set would be Java, Selenium, or JavaScript, Gen AI, API automation. And notice period is 0 to 90 days. These days, most of the companies, they are looking for the immediate joiners. But EPAM is one of the company which will give you the hike with respect to whatever you ask, 80%, 100%, 120%, and they'll wait for you for 90 days of notice period as well, right? So this is a walk-in drive and it's there in Pune. So you can send your resume with mandatory details like current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location to this particular email address. Then this is a remote job opportunity, and Nism is a company which is looking for senior engineers with 8+ years of experience for fully remote projects. So the requirement is of a quality engineer, strong in automation and coding. They haven't segregated like what kind of language or what kind of tool, and mobile developers, Android and iOS expertise. 6 months of contractual period is there, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement with PwC as a QA test automation engineer, and they're looking for experienced QA professionals in Bangalore, 4 to 9 years of experience who can join within 15 to 30 days. And they're hiring for below skill set Python automation plus API testing, JavaScript, Java Selenium plus API testing. And this is the link wherein you can apply. So I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video, so you can apply over there directly. Then there's a requirement for QA again at Indore location, and they are having two opportunities. One is with respect to senior QA, another is with respect to the QA engineer. So you can apply with respect to your experience. Then there's a requirement for manual testers with 1+ years of experience, and they are looking for someone who has got good understanding of SDLC and STLC, both software development lifecycle as well as software testing lifecycle, and interested candidates can apply at this particular link. Moon Technolabs is also hiring for various positions, that is project manager, project coordinator, and blockchain developer, React.js developer. So all these development jobs are there. Apart from that, the QA job opportunity is also there for 5+ years, and they are looking for team lead QA. So someone who has got 5+ overall experience and 1 year of team lead experience. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement with respect to the QA. Again, location is Gurgaon and experience is 2 to 5 years. Interview process is given. You'll be having a written test plus technical plus managerial interview. So if you're interested, you can apply at this particular link. Then there's a requirement for manual functional tester, someone who knows agentic AI, and location is Bangalore. Employment type would be full-time, hybrid, and experience is 1 to 3 years. So they are looking for someone who has done, who has performed manual functional testing across AI, someone who has got expertise in tools like Jira, TestRail, or X-Ray, validate AI workflows, 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience in manual functional testing, exposure to AI-based or multi-component systems, solid grasp of SDLC, defect lifecycle, and QA best practices, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA, manual QA, and test automation engineers both with OTT streaming experience in Kolkata, and the role details are provided 3 to 12 years, and location is Kolkata. And for manual QA engineers, it is OTT device testing, video playback, ad tech integrations. You must be familiar with the Charles proxy tool, Fiddler, API testing with Postman. Then there's also requirement for test automation engineers. So someone who can build automation frameworks, Selenium, APM, Playwright, WebDriver, IO. and you can apply. You can share your resume to this particular email addresses. Then there's a requirement for QA, and the location is Ahmedabad, and they are looking for someone who can do manual testing, functional testing, Jira, someone who has got basic SQL skill set, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for AI engineer, and this is the email address where you can apply. There is also a requirement with respect to a new company. Let me share with you. A new requirement is there. So this company is also hiring for the QA team, and you can apply at this particular link, soti.net/careers. So this is also a wonderful opportunity. So these are all the job opportunities for QA. We discussed about the manual QA, the automation testing job opportunities, the remote job opportunities, and many more. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe our channel, and let us know if anything else is required. Stay tuned for more updates.